Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I'm at my mother's house. I'm in her bathroom. She wants me to clean this fan. See how dirty and dusty it is? The bathroom fans, especially something as small bathroom fans, if you're doing makeup in here, or just powdering different things, hairspray, whatever, you got your exhaust fan on. After, oh, I don't know, a year or so, you might want to get up there and clean it. And I'm going to take that down. I can't reach it. I got to get my big tall ladder in here. It's going to be a pain just to set up the ladder to get up there because we got kind of highish ceilings. I'm going to pull that down, clean all that, and I'll show you what it looks like up inside of there when I pull that down. But it should be on some little wires that you kind of push together, and then it goes doink like that. Womp. On one side and the other. I should be able to kind of pull that gently down, reach in there and pinch those together, pull it down, pinch the other side together, pull it down. And then I'll clean the fan out inside of there and all that kind of stuff. Last thing you want is for that to overheat and get stuck because you've got so much stuff that went up through there that got caught inside around the motor, inside around your fan blades, causing your fan blades to stick. I could spray some WD-40 or some silicone spray up there on the fan neck of it where the shaft is, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's something you want to look at, because after a while, if that thing starts, if it stops, chances are it might not trip your electrical breaker in your breaker box outside, and it might not short out your light switch, but then again, it could short out your light switch. You could get a spark in your light switch, or you could get a spark up there. Something could cause a fire. You want your house all to burn down, or half your house burning down because you didn't clean your exhaust fan? Hey, put that on your list of things to do. Hello, Motha.
Joe, I said, don't take my picture.
Hey, well, aren't you glad that Joe is here doing your honey to-do list?
You bet your life I am.
Yes, I've already got some of the things fixed for you and you're already happy, but I still got probably 15 more things on your list to do.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I really had a list this time, didn't
Yes,
I?
you did.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
But I'm so glad you're here.
Hey, that's what sons are for, right?
Yes.
So make me a list anytime when I'm here visiting. I'll always take care of them for you. Oh, who is your little friend here?
That's Bonnie Blue Ribbons.
Bonnie Blue Ribbons, look at that. She's heavy too.
She is. She's made out of concrete, and she could sit outside on the bench.
Usually we got her sitting out on the bench, but you know, sometimes we bring her back in here, huh?
Right.
Because you don't want anyone stealing her.
No, I don't.
No.
But I did have her out there for quite a while.
You did?
One time. And see her shoes, they're supposed to be black, but they kind of faded out to white.
Oh, on the tops.
Yeah.
That's from the sun. That's okay. It looks okay.
Yeah.
And her dress was probably all dark green. You know what?
Yeah.
She probably just needs to be cleaned.
Yeah, maybe so.
With some simple green.
Oh, you can add that on your list.
Oh, you better put it down. There's the list is right over there.
Okay, that's,
Simple.
I'll just say Bonnie Blue Ribbons.
Bonnie Blue Ribbons, and I'll know what she needs to do. And I get my simple green out for just about everything. And I don't know if it's going to take it all out, Mother,
Well,
because she's been sitting in the sun for so long, and some of this paint has probably faded on her and everything. Look at all this stuff she's got in her house. Sometimes it makes me dizzy just looking at all this, all these little things that she has. Oh, but she's probably got a story for every single one of these. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. This video, as you will recall, is I've got to get up there and take that exhaust fan apart and see I've got my little giant ladder in here, and that takes a little finagling to do just that in itself. Okay, and I'm hoping you'll be able to see over my head from this angle, but I don't know. I don't think you're going to be able to. I think I'm gonna set you up right here in the bathtub. There we go. Got you set up in the bathtub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's get up here. I've got this exhaust fan on right now. I better turn that off. And pretty sure it's gonna come down the way I was telling you. Yeah, see? This is just plastic. And I didn't want to just get up here and wipe this off because I wanna check everything, what's going on. So now I pulled it down as far as it can go, and I can take the little spring goodie on this side and pull it off, and I can do the same thing with this side. And I'm gonna put my mother to work. I'm gonna give her something to do. And oh my, there's a lot of stuff on here. And see how these are? When I get ready to put it back, I have to kind of push these up like that, fit it up in, and then it kind of goes like that as I'm pushing it up, doink, like that. So see, it's done on both sides. See how dusty that is, wow. You take it down, I can have her clean it on both sides, and now I'm gonna get up there with you and check that out around there. See what I can do to clean that up. Grab my little paint, my cleaning brush, and I wanna look up in here. You see, sometimes this can clog up, and if you really wanted to get energetic, and I don't know if we should or not, maybe I will. I just loosen up these two mounting screws, and I think this whole thing will pull down. And if I just unplug it right here, and I've got my, I may have to put a screwdriver in there, you know, to unplug this. See, it's not gonna come. I think I've got to push that together. That's where it's powered. And I should be able to just undo that screw and that screw right there. This should pop straight down, and we could clean all that stuff out of there, because that has not been cleaned forever. Might as well show you what I'm looking at. Have to get up there. I've never undone this particular one, and all fans are not created equal. And I'm wondering what to do here. I might need 2 screwdrivers. Boy. Come on. How hard should it be? How hard could it be, folks? That's not gotta unclick from there. Okay. Okie dokie. Don't succeed at first, try again, right? Maybe you push up, okay. Push up and then pull down. There, okay. Whew. Push up, then pull down. I'm gonna undo those little screws, and I should only have to loosen them up a little bit. I shouldn't have to take it all down. Okay? Like that. And I think this side swivels around. Okay, there. Okie dokie. Look at that. I'm going to take that down, clean it all up. I thought I could take this this plastic goodie off. Let's see here. See the fan bit here. I was hoping to pull that off, but I'm not quite sure how it slips off of that, and it might not without some hard work. So I'm just going to kind of clean this a little bit, wipe it all up, maybe rinse it off, let it dry. See all the dust in there and goodies around there. All that stuff sucks up into that, and eventually you could get this plugged up. Now this is a slightly different one. I've seen some with blades, maybe 3 or 4 blades around there that could get clogged up. This one wouldn't get clogged up as much, but I'm glad I'm taking it out and showing it to you, so I can wipe that all down and get it looking better. And now that housing up there, I can just take my toothbrush as a little cleaning brush and wipe out up in there. If I wanted to, I could spray some cleaner up there and wipe this down a little bit better. You know, it's not too bad actually. I should have my eye goggles on right now while I'm doing that. But see, it's kind of sticky in there and grimy, and that catches all the dust. And so yeah, I think I'm going to spray that with my my simple green and wipe it all down and get it all nice and clean, so at least it's almost like brand new when she turns it on again. If I don't, the dust that goes up there, it's just gonna build up on that because this is all sticky now. So since I got it that far, I might as well do the rest. Okay.